Hello everybody, my name is Gopal Kamath and welcome to my channel Get Your Restaurant. This is a special and very important series of videos. We can call it as a video series. I'm going to start and I'm starting today. This is the introduction video and it is all about how to take your restaurant to a profitable level from whatever currently you are doing. Now, this video series is specially for people who are owning a restaurant, but people who want to start a restaurant can also see this. Now, why am I making this video series and what made me think about starting this video series? Now, as you know, I am a existing hotelier, restaurateur. I own two restaurants as well as a resort, and I've worked with hundreds of restaurant owners who were aspiring to start a restaurant and who are already starting a restaurant, who are already running a restaurant. One common thing which I got to know is a lot of people who want to start a restaurant will follow me to know how to start a restaurant. But a lot of people who are existingly owning a restaurant are so engrossed in their day-to-day activities as well as in their day-to-day functions that they really don't know how to make real profits from the restaurant. They are busy in their day-to-day life. They are handling the cash, they are taking care of the purchasing, they are worrying about the staff, all those things. But most importantly, the end goal of owning a resort is not handling the staff or ordering your stuff, inventory, or handling the cash or looking after the guests. The main goal of owning a restaurant, of starting a restaurant, is to make profits. Firstly, get this thing deep, embossed, clear in your head. हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट बनाने के लिए होटल चला रहे हैं, रेस्टोरेंट चला रहे हैं. वी हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टाफ हैंडल करने के लिए या फिर कैश हैंडल करने के लिए, ड्यूटी देने के लिए, बिजी होने के लिए रेस्टोरेंट नहीं चला रहे. So that is your core goal, and I am going to teach you lots and lots of strategies, tips, tricks, as well as things which you can do, which I am doing in my restaurant, which has helped me earn crores of rupees. I am going to help you teach that, and you can learn from it, and you can start implementing it in your restaurant as well as you can start making real money. By the way, if you need more help, you can go and check out the description. I have given a link. Click on the link, watch the video. I work privately one-on-one with people to take their restaurant to the next level. But if you're not ready, it is fine. You can follow what I'm trying to tell you. And if it works for you, I am very happy for you. So this is the introduction series of Restaurant Profit Mastery. This is what I'm calling this series. It is Restaurant Profit Mastery. So all the things which we are going to discuss in this video series. By the way, you can find this video series in the playlist section. I'm going to create a playlist, different playlist for restaurant owners, and we'll call it as the Restaurant Profit Mastery. All the things which we can do in order to take our sales to the next level, in order to take our profits to the next level, so that we can earn more money, we can afford good people to work with us for our restaurant, we can afford to give good experience to our staff so that our staff can give good experience to our customers, and then the customers will keep on coming to us again and again. That is a simple formula which I follow while running my own restaurants as well as when I'm working with my private one-on-one clients. So welcome to this Restaurant Profit Mastery series of videos. Keep on watching this. I'll be releasing a video every 1 or 2 days or every 3 days, and I will share with you all the tips and tricks about making real money in your restaurant. So glad to see you. By the way, if you have not subscribed, if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe, share it with your friends, and let's together make your restaurant profitable. I will check you out in the next video. Bye bye. Love from me. Bye.